How to make table in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Excel and then you will see various options on the top right. Go ahead and tap on insert beside home and you will find table option. Tap on it and then where do you want to start a table? You can see that there is A1. So if you want to start it from B1, you can just go to the A option. Just don't remove the dollar sign. Just put B. And then what you can do is now put a semicolon and choose till where you want the table. So I want the table till H11. So don't forget to put the dollar sign. So once you've done that, you can even tick on my table has headers and then hit OK. So there you can see a table appear. And then on the top right, you can see various color options. So you can choose the color options according to your wish. And once you've chosen the color, now if you want borders, you can just select the table and then go to home, and there you'll see border option. Tap on the drop down and then tap on all borders. There you go. Now you have borders on your table. Now you can even change the color scheme on the header. So like this, you can choose the color of your wish. And you can even see the filters here. It's really simple to sort out the data with these filters. And now you can just start writing in the table. That's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.